Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose here, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to Self-Talk Sunday, where we reframe the way we think about this journey. Today's self-talk, food is fuel, not a frenemy. Let's be honest though. So many of us have had a love-hate relationship with food. We love the comfort, but we hate the guilt. We celebrate it, but punish ourselves with it. And then we feel like we failed when we give in. That voice says, I can't be trusted around food, and food is the enemy. But here's the truth. Food isn't your enemy. It's your fuel. It's the gas to your tank, the building blocks for your cells, the raw materials your body uses to heal. And when you choose food that honor your health, like protein, real fats, and low-carb nourishment, you're not betraying yourself, you're feeding your future. So here's the self-talk shift. Instead of saying, I can't have that, I don't fuel my body with that, instead of, I was bad today, say, I gave my body what it needed. I have a real quick story for you. One of my clients told me that she felt like food was always a battle. Good days, bad days, willpower versus cravings. Once we reframed it as fuel, she said, it's like food finally lost its power over me. I get to decide what goes in the tank. That mindset shift freed her from shame. So here's your Sunday mantra. Food is fuel, not a frenemy. Every time you sit down to eat, remind yourself, you're not fighting food, you're fueling your body, your brain, and your life. If this resonates, hit like, share it with a friend who's tired of the food fight, and tell me in the comments, how do you reframe food in your own self-talk? I'll see you tomorrow.